Hello friend, how are you? I'm Ankita, and in today's video I will show you how to paint clouds in four different ways. These are very simple clouds. It's very easy and beginner friendly. Anyone can make it. There was a little mishap over here. I had used those tapes which are like removable. You know, but I think I didn't use it properly. I'm using it for the second or third time. So I don't know you how to use it properly. So I think I have to learn that technique so I don't tear the paper again. But nevertheless, at least you will be able to learn four different types of skies. I hope you find this video useful. Let's begin. Requirements: masking tape and scissors, large flat brush, small flat brush, large round brush, small round brush, lemon yellow color, light blue color, black color, white color. Let's begin. Apply masking tape horizontally and vertically to create four boxes. First sky. Apply light blue color. Don't paint everywhere. Leave some white. Now apply white color in the white areas and some on blue areas. Blend the two colors using small flat brush. Apply blue and white alternatingly till you are happy with the cloud shape and then blend. Second sky. Apply light blue color. Take large round brush and dab on white. Wipe excess color. Now tap, tap, tap wherever you want the clouds. Third sky. Apply light blue color. Take black color. Mix light blue, black and white together. Take a large flat brush and dab, dab, dab. Take white color and dab over grey clouds. Take the grey mix and use the small round brush to make fine details. Apply white to soften the dark grey. I am making these in similar shape to the previous clouds. Fourth sky. Take yellow color on flat brush and spread halfway. Blend white with yellow. Blend yellow with white. Let it dry completely. Take light blue on flat brush and spread halfway. Blend white with light blue. Blend white with yellow. Let the painting dry. Now remove the masking tape carefully. So you don't rip it like I did.